Thank you for checking out Unexpected History. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Play-Doh, that nearly ubiquitous modeling putty that allows children to physically create almost anything their imaginations can conjure, and the bane of mothers everywhere. Sorry, Mom. Was developed by Oddball Products, a soap manufacturer, at the request of Kroger Grocery. Believe it or not, Play-Doh originally started as a reusable way to clean soot residue from wallpaper. After World War II, with much of the nation switching to natural gas heating systems, which caused far less soot, as well as the introduction of washable vinyl-based wallpaper, the market for wallpaper cleaning putty weakened considerably. Oddball Products then repurposed the wallpaper cleaner as a children's toy, basing the idea on a newspaper article that detailed kids using the putty to create art projects. In 1956, Rainbow Crafts Company was formed as a subsidiary of Oddball, specifically to make and sell Play-Doh. As an aside, some at the company wanted to name the putty Rainbow Modeling Compound, while others came up with Play-Doh. It's difficult to think that it might have been known as something else entirely. Although Rainbow Modeling Compound is certainly an apt name, it's far less memorable than Play-Doh. By 1958, Play-Doh had amassed nearly $3 million in sales, about $29.5 million in 2022 money, which is certainly not bad given that it started life as a cleaning product that became a children's toy. In 1998, Play-Doh was inducted into the National Toy Hall of Fame, and in 2003, it was selected as one of the top 100 toys of the 20th century by the Toy Industry Association. As of 2005, Play-Doh is sold in 75 countries around the world, at a rate of 95 million cans per year. In the United States alone, Play-Doh is sold in over 6,000 stores. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like and follow us for more content just like this.